मेरा नाम रामफूल माली है। मैं शेरपुर गांव का रहने वाला हूं। नेशनल पार्क के पास मेरा गांव है। मैं गांव में जाकर गोबर गैस के बारे में किसानों से संपर्क करता हूं और बताता हूं कि गोबर गैस क्या चीज़ है। पार्क के आसपास के गांव में जाके सर्वे किया, किसानों को समझाया, बताया उनको गोबर गैस के बारे में, गोबर गैस का महत्व बताया। जंगल को कटने से रोकाया, उनको बताया कि गोबर जंगल कटेगी तो अपन को नुकसान है, अपने आगे के भविष्य के लिए भी अपन को नुकसान होगा, इसलिए जंगल को छोड़ो, और गोबर गैस के बारे में उनको अच्छी जानकारी दी।
I'm Govardhan Singh Rathore, and Ranthambore has been the only place I have known as a home by virtue of the fact that my father, Fateh Singh Rathore, was the founding director of the park and spent almost 50 years trying to save the tiger and the park. And although in the early years of conservation, my father had little issues with local people that lived around Ranthambore, what they didn't realize is that over the years, the people that lived around the park also multiplied. And as their populations grew, dependence on the park and its natural resources like fuel, wood and fodder grew, and the park people conflict began to increase and escalate. Therefore, Prakritik Society was founded way back in almost 25 years ago. And the reason for founding this was to try and engage with local communities, which was not happening until then, to sort of understand what the park is, what it means for them, and how they can also participate in its conservation. Some of the programs that we ran were healthcare and education, so that a better educated population understands the environment better. And so we established a school on land that my father very kindly donated. And this school now provides free scholarship to some really poor people that live around the park, who we hope will be the future leaders of their communities and join the mainstream of India in terms of getting jobs and not being dependent on the park. Healthcare meant that we slowly evolved and developed the program into a comprehensive advanced healthcare system, which now is a big hospital of 100 beds, providing the only emergency services in the district of 1 million people. But some of the other issues like grazing their cattle inside the park, getting fuel wood out from the park to cook their food were really challenging issues, and to deal with those, we started a program of artificial insemination where semen from really high quality cattle were brought to Ranthambore, and this was then inseminated in local cows so that they could have better breed of cattle, which basically meant that fewer cattle, more milk, and stall-fed cattle, so therefore grazing in the park was not an issue anymore.
पहले देती दूध थोड़ा थोड़ा देती, 2-3 किलो दूध दे दोनों टाइम को मिलाकर। अब ये दे 12-13 किलो दूध से 8 किलो 10 किलो दूध से कम नहीं दे दोनों टाइम, इतना फर्क है। पर ये बंदी रहती है, वो माल में भगा दिया, खोल कर जंगल में से रहती। इनको है जो पानी नुहाना पड़ता है रोजीना, और अच्छे जानवर है, पानी की सुविधा में अच्छे रहना पड़ता है। इनकी आराई ज़्यादा है थोड़ी सी, अच्छे जानवर।
The availability of cow dung at home because of stall feeding has meant that we've been able to engage the local people in using biogas as an alternative fuel, which means they use their cattle cow dung and put it into a fermentation tank. The result is methane, which then they can use to cook, and the byproduct is manure, which they can use in the field.
बड़ी तक दिक्कत थी पूरी, जंगल में जावे लेवा पूरा दिन लगे हो, जंगल में से लावे जब, और धुआं हो गई, आँख फूटे। अब बचत ऐसे बचत है, आँख नहीं फूटे, बड़ी तो लावा की बनाई है, जंगल में नहीं जामा, बड़ी तो नहीं लामा, और बढ़िया टाइम पे हमारा खाना बन जाता। एक दिन छोड़ एक दिन गोबर ओढ़ देता।
अब तक जो भी मैंने नए गांव में 600 गोबर गैस लगवाए हैं, अब आगे के लिए नए गांव में और जो जैसे जनसंख्या बढ़ती है वैसे लकड़ी की आवश्यकता पड़ती है या गोबर गैस की आवश्यकता पड़ती है, तो उनके लिए मैं अन्य और गोबर गैस बनवाने के लिए आपसे मदद चाहता हूँ।
And the result is there for everyone to see, where in 2003 to 2005, when we had a crisis here and the tiger population had been decimated to half, to under 20, we now have over 55, and we've also given 8 tigers to another park in Rajasthan. So I feel very proud that these things have been possible because of the vast diversity of our programs that give people something, and in return ask voluntarily for the people to engage in conservation, maybe allowing them to have some ownership in the park. And the vision basically for Prakritik Society is to expand on these programs so that more and more people that live around the park can participate, so that it ends up having a real impact and a vast majority of people then start to engage positively with the park.